Hi, I'm Darlene Desjardins.
Hi, I'm Patsy Campbell, Operations Manager for the Cornerstone Warrior Centre.
When we started building this house, I knew it was not to be a regular house, that there was a higher purpose for it. I was given a dream, and in that dream I knew what we were going to do was help people because of it. I didn't know for sure in what capacity, whether it was to be a retreat or a group home. But the more we looked at it, the more I saw what was happening around us. I knew it was kids that we had to focus on. Because driving around our First Nation here, you see so many young people that just seem to walk around so aimless, without any goals in mind, without any real sense of purpose. And so I knew that this was what this was going to be. It just broke our heart to see how some of the young people don't seem to have anything in life that excites them anymore, other than things that they shouldn't be excited about. So we decided that this is what we would do. I know that it is something that is not offered anywhere else, and it has been a stretch for us to do it because we have sponsored the whole thing ourselves, my husband and I and our daughter Lisa. We have not had one penny of sponsorship money from anyone. It's all going to be good because it's not going to be just a regular home where the kids are warehoused, because that is not something we've ever wanted to do. We wanted to make sure that this was different. It was above and beyond anything else.
Within our centre, we endeavour to provide personal development, education, and training to our youth. Through those processes, we'll be offering programs such as communication, life skills, personal development of whatever the child may need within. Expanding on that, we will endeavour to have our children in the mainstream educational system. However, we do recognize not all of our children function very well in that kind of a system. So we have developed programs that will accommodate the youth in developing skills and training that potentially when they leave our facility, that they will have skills that will give them a career further in life. Our training programs will consist of potential apprenticeship programs such as welding, carpentry, and further on. We have other facilities and amenities on our site. We have a shop which will be our training center. We have a secondary residential home on site, which will be our family reunification center, as well as our family therapy center. This secondary residential center will provide services to the youth and the families so that when they leave, they are preparing themselves to reunify within their family systems. The Cornerstone Warrior Centre will give you an experience none other than any other group home you will ever experience or see in the province of Alberta. This residential centre is nowhere near any other centre. It's not an institutional centre, it's a loving home. As you walk through the tour, you will see that it has a lot of touch of love, care, and respect for the children that are going to live within the centre.